Hello, and thank you for choosing to activate your access to VitaminLab's unique integration with CharmHealth EHR. This innovative integration will allow you to seamlessly recommend personalized, custom compounded supplements based on each patient's unique needs. By combining multiple protocols into an easy-to-take, all-in-one formula, you'll help reduce pill burden, increase adherence, and gain complete control of the ingredients and dosages your patients take. All formulas are produced at our NSF-certified facility with over 250 professional-grade ingredients to choose from and drop-shipped to your patient or practice. Activating the VitaminLab integration can be done from within your CharmHealth portal account. First, you'll click on your account settings and head to the VitaminLab link. Once you've reviewed the information here, you can click I agree and connect with VitaminLab. Next, you'll learn how to access the integration and begin personalizing your patient's supplement treatment plans today. Once your integration with VitaminLab is activated, you can start formulating for your patients. From the CharmHealth homepage, you can click on the patient's icon and select the patient that you would like to formulate for. Click on the Medications tab and then the Supplements tab. From here, you can click on the orange Supplements button and select VitaminLab from the list. You'll now be able to build your formula in one of two ways. First, by choosing from over 30 research-informed, customizable VitaminLab protocols. You'll be able to easily modify the ingredients and dosages or remove any ingredients before finalizing the order. The second option is to formulate from scratch, creating a completely custom blend directly in your VitaminLab platform. To begin formulating based on protocols, use the search box here to search by ingredient name or protocol name, or simply scroll down to browse the protocols available. Let's formulate for a test patient together. I'd like to select protocols that this patient is already taking to help reduce pill burden and streamline their supplementation plan. This patient already takes an adrenal and an immune support formula separately, but I also need to recommend hormonal support. I'll choose VitaminLab's Adrenal Adapt formula, which contains ashwagandha and rhodiola to level out cortisol spikes. Then I'll check the immune protocol, followed by our PMS support protocol. Once you click on the Review Formula button, you'll have the opportunity to review and revise any of the ingredients and dosages. If there are any overlapping ingredients in the protocols you selected, the system will automatically add both dosages together. You can easily locate the duplicated ingredients for review using the info icon shown here. In this example, vitamin C was duplicated, so I'm going to reduce the dosage to 350 milligrams. I also want to remove American ginseng from this protocol. You can then click on the Recalculate button to see the updated pricing and capsules per day dosage. Prior to transmitting the formula to VitaminLab, you'll want to add a formula name. We recommend using your patient's first and last name. You'll confirm your dose type, either veggie capsules or powder, and the duration of your supply length that you'll be sending to the patient. The default is set at 90 days, but with VitaminLab, you have the ability to choose anywhere from 60 days to 180 days. The last step will be to finalize your purchase within the VitaminLab portal. Once your formula has been reviewed, you can click on the Add and Transmit to VitaminLab button. This prompts you to register for a free account with VitaminLab. Once you've filled out all the required fields, click Create Account. If you already have a practitioner account, you can choose to log in here. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to the shopping cart page, where it's time to make any final adjustments to the formula by clicking on the Edit button. This brings you to our formula editing page, where you can add any ingredients you'd like or make any final adjustments. You can click on the Formulating tutorial or the guided tour for a more in-depth look at this page. Click the Buy Now button to return to the shopping cart and select your preferred billing method from the two options presented. VitaminLab offers you the flexibility to choose either patient pay, using the monthly retail price option, or clinic pay, using the wholesale price option. If you're choosing the monthly retail price option, this will be a monthly payment that the patient makes directly to VitaminLab for the duration of their supply length. In this example, it's a 3-month supply, so the patient would pay $116 for 3 months. There's a built-in margin here for you of 25%, which gets paid out at the end of their billing cycle. When selecting this option, you'll enter the patient's name, phone number, and email address. Confirming the order will trigger a payment confirmation email to be sent to your patient, letting them know that you have recommended a personalized formula with instructions on how to complete the order. Alternatively, you can choose the wholesale cost and bill your patient directly, calculating any margin percentage you'd like. When choosing the wholesale cost, you can still drop ship directly to your patient or practice using the Ship To toggle here. Once payment is made, your patient's personalized formula will be sent into production to be custom compounded and packaged. This takes approximately 10 business days. VitaminLab offers free standard shipping on all formulas or the option for express shipping under the delivery details here. The practitioner success team at VitaminLab is here to support you every step of the way. Click on the link provided to schedule a demo for a more in-depth presentation of everything VitaminLab has to offer. You can also connect with us by email at practitioners@getvitaminlab.com with any questions you have. We look forward to working with you to create an innovative and personalized supplement experience for your patients.